Okay, folks, welcome back to another week of Homestead on the Hill. I got Brian on the camera today. The mechanical genius is in the house, and we got this log on here. It's been decked up here for a few days, few weeks maybe. And our goal, we want to see, we're cutting dimension lumber. We're making fine French furniture now out of these Douglas fir logs. And so our goal is to cut 6x. They have to be 6 inches across. What we're doing is we're cutting full 2 inches by 6 inches, and that's going to be our standard. So the question is, can we get 4 2x6s out of this log? Stay tuned. Let's see at the end of this video if we get this done. I've just seen some little bit of dirt and gravelly stuff in here, so wherever I did, I took the axe and just cut it out. See, Alex, see here, a little bit of dirt in there, but I don't see any rocks. So this is why, now we know why this tree died. Somebody shot it. You see the copper around the outside? That little copper colored thing? And then this is the lead. So deep inside of this tree, what do you figure? What kind of shell was that, do you think?
Well, looks like a 30-30.
Could be. Like it's not a 22.
Yeah.
It's not like
no, definitely. You can see how it compressed.
But it's interesting because it came in this direction, yes? But there's no, like this was shot at a very early. You got to turn the camera the other way. This was shot when the tree was very young, I guess, because there's no sign of entry.
Well, also look right behind it here. Look at how the tree grew around it.
Yeah,
it's not like there's a hole here.
Yeah. Okay, so we took that cant. That's a fancy $5 word for timber, and what we've done now is rolled it up. So this is 6 inches from side to side, and so we're going to cut a 2-inch piece off of here and see if we can make some 2x6s. dry cleaner. Okay, so what Brian and I have decided, we're trying something revolutionary here. We took the plank that we cut, put it underneath there, and now we have a 5x6, and so we're going to rip this in half that way, so then we'll have two hale and hardy, basically 2x6s. The 6 inches is the wide part, and that's accurate because we're going to be cutting dimension lumber for making fine furniture now, and so we need this to be 6 inches across, and that's what we've done. Over here, in order to hold it in place, we use this log stay, and we put a couple pieces of wood in there. So the metal part is way down low, but the wood, if we cut the wood, hey, so be it. Okay, let's go fire this beastie up. Hang on. Okay, so we've pulled it off of the mill, and this one here is just a 2 3/8 by 6. This one is 3/8 wide, and this one's 2.5 inches wide, which doesn't really matter because they're going to be used for fine Italian furniture or floor joists on a porch or whatnot. The important part is that they are 6 inches this way, and all of them are 6 inches. So as it turns out, we did get 4 2x6s. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one here is 2 1/4. This one's 2 inches, and this one's 2 3/8, and this one's 2 inches exactly. That's not as much of a concern to me as this height here, and they are all exactly 6 inches, because what we did was we took off the side, it was 6 1/4, and so we took a big corner, and so look at that beautiful cut. So that trimmed it down so it was exactly 6 inches, and so we cut 2x off of 2x6s, and these will become, at some point in our future, in the near future, these will become floor joists when we start building our deck. So, Homestead on the Hill, we did it. We said 4 2x6s, we got 4 2x6s. See you next week, folks. What we just did was we emptied the float bowl. The float bowl is underneath here, and so, can I focus that? Yeah. We emptied that out so that the gas isn't sitting in there. Just a good practice. Turn the fuel off. That's what I was trying to show you over here. It was vibrating so much. So this is the fuel thing here. So we got that shut off. See, off, on, and ran the float dry. Bob's your uncle.